Hi guys, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I drop my analysis concerning the coming week. Kindly know this is not a financial advice. I'm not a market maker and do your analysis first so you can. I just drop it here so I can go back and see my bias on the week. And in case I'm having a change, I need to know that okay, this change of bias is what more. Maybe there's anything I'm forgetting. I can just go back and watch the video. So thank you. So here in gold. I've been noticing a lot of change of structure, uh, break of structure, and we actually had a shift to the upside. We have this break of structure to the upside, and I noticed that the swing low are not being tapped or even um, price is not going towards that direction anymore for a period of time. So I noticed that the break it looks like gold is no more bullish. Sorry, it's no more bearish. It wants to change to the upside. And I can't actually tell you that okay, gold is bullish or gold is bearish right now because that's not actually the best thing to see at the moment. So the best thing I can tell you is that I'll tell you the reason why I might go for a buy and the reason why I might go for a sell. So at the moment now, I see gold giving us a lot of PDLs to the upside, right? This, and this two other block two other block and closing above this inversion fair value gap. And if you trade inversion fair value gap, you know how strong inversion fair value gap is. So we have two other block in the 4 hours closing above it, and this is quite concerning. That this can tell me that okay, price might want to buy at the moment time. So I can just look towards Monday or Tuesday and say okay, maybe I'll be going for a little bit more buys until I can see a break of structure, maybe in the 1 hour or in the 4 hours towards the downside. But for now, I see a lot of price moving towards the upside. And what do we have in the upside? PDR is in the upside. We have only this other block right here. So if price pass this other block right here, that's a very strong bias for a buy. If price close above it, that's a very strong bias for buy. If price close above that other block right there. And for sorry about that. So for this, because to the we have this pushing price to the upside right here. We have this pushing price to the downside right here. So if price can just close above that, we are going towards the upside. Towards the upside. If price close above this right here, we're going towards the upside. So that's just it for gold. But if price do not close above it, I can still look for more sales to the downside, and it's gonna be good because we can look at this now right here. Look at this right. Look at this now, and look at this. The CRT low has not been taken, but the CRT high has been taken, and we can also see this right here. The CRT high has been taken, but the CRT low has not been taken. So this might just be a manipulation to the okay. Let me draw this. This might just be a manipulation to the upside that okay, let some people know think we're going to buy, and when we start buying sells. You understand? Oh, you understand what I mean now, right? So we just have to be very very careful with gold and BTC this particular period. And I'll be going for a scalp. I'll be going for a strong PDRS in the lower time frame, looking for a scalp in the lower time frame. 122, 123 amount, 122, 123 amount. I don't want something that will just hold me until I know where the price is going to. Then I can leave some trades to run. So let's go to BTC. BTC actually hit me hard last week, so it didn't actually even go up all the way up. It just went and it started dropping. So for BTC, I cannot tell you that okay, I'm having a bias in mind because we having Let me clean this. Or this. Let me take it away. So we're having a lot of things playing out in BTC. Now we're having this other block right here. If price close below here is another block, price close below here is another block. There's a lot of strong PVRs in the weekly, and we have this right here. And let's go to the monthly. What's happening? Look at this. If this closed down here in the next 21 days and 17 hours, that's another strong PDR down. But we're having, let's go to the weekly because that's just the main issue. So now look at, we're having another block. The only pushing price are all these levels right here, are all these right here. So for the main time, I cannot actually tell you if I'm bullish in BTC or bearish because I can't actually say anything about that at the main time. So I'll just look at the price, let it sort itself out. Then when it's ready for me or my setup, I can come in and take something from the market. So that's it on BTC. On gold, that's the same thing on gold. It can be a manipulation to the upside and sell later. It can also be a because of the structure that's been breaking, it can also be a buy to the upside and keep on buying. So let's just wait for what's going to happen. Be careful. I hope this is a bit helpful to you because having no bias is also a bias for you to actually put in more of your risk management into trading and know what you're risking, not to risk too much. And when you see price going against you, not to place more trades thinking price is going to go to your direction. That will still take you out. So be careful. Thank you. To have a good day.